All right, guys, we have got the UMISR Sonic Electric Toothbrush. It's got 5 modes, 3 intensities, a 90-day battery life before you have to charge it again. This thing's really nice. It's got 5 cleaning modes, and like I said, 3 intensities. Let's go ahead and unbox this and check this out. One of the things I like about it is it does have a travel case. It's also IPX7 waterproof. Obviously, it needs to be waterproof if it's a toothbrush. But I love that it's got a traveling case, so it makes it very easy to keep it with you. But also, if you know about electric toothbrushes, they have a tendency to be a little bit on the not budget side. Let's just say that. I think this is going to be an incredible value. Let's go ahead and check it out. So one of the things, it does have a smart pressure sensor. So it's going to let you know if you're pressing too hard, because you need to be careful about that. And I have to be careful how I talk about health stuff. So let's just kind of keep that at a minimum. First of all, here's the case. Look at that. Really nice. Going to fit in your toiletry bag very easily without, okay, here's the reason you need this. I've traveled enough and I've had electric toothbrushes where even that, or razors or anything electric, you put it in your suitcase, in your toiletry bag, but stuff moves around. Maybe the security goes through stuff or whatever. And a lot of times these things accidentally turn on and then the battery's dead by the time you get to where you're going. This has a hard case, so you're not gonna have to worry about that. Here it is right in here. And I think that's the body of the brush. Yes, it is. Super nice. Really nice, sleek case too. Not that that's everything, but it's not nothing. There we go. Okay, so this thing's actually really cool. Here's the toothbrush right here. I'll put a head on before I actually show you it. Let's go through everything else as well. So here we have the charging dock. And again, you only need to charge it once every 90 days. So one thing I like about that is you're not going to have to worry about taking this with you when you go on a trip. But here it is right here. Let's set it up back here. You just got a USB port when you want to charge it up. Actually, you know what? You know what I'll do? Let's go ahead, plug it in right here. And then I can show you what it does when it's charging. There we go. So, all right, let me try that again. So here's the case. There it is. And you can see it is letting us know on the LED screen right here that it is in charge mode. And it'll let you know when it's charged up. But that's how easy that is to use. Nice and stable. Let's go ahead and take out our brushes now. The cool thing about it is we have 2 brushes that it automatically comes with. And these are really nice. So here's your thing to keep it clean in there, so you can keep it packaged up. And then what we want to do is just slide that right on, and we are good to go. Now, all we do to turn it on is we hold that button down. There we go. Boom. And this thing is moving, as you can see. Very sonic for sure. It's even letting you know how long your brush time is, so you can get more comfortable with yourself and know how long you want to brush for to make sure you're getting a good, nice clean every time. Let's go ahead and run through the settings. So this is setting 1 that just turned on right away. Okay, and so what it does is it starts at its highest setting and then it moves down. So I'll show you here. So that's setting 1. That's setting 2. And then that's setting 3. And so you can go from high to low as far as intensity wise. That's really amazing. And then all we do is we hold it down to shut it back off. This thing is super nice, amazing. Dude, you are going to absolutely love this. Now there's a electric toothbrush for every budget level. Enjoy.